Hello lovely ladies or people. I'm very excited to show you my latest Digi kit, which consists of 36 pages in total, and 3 of those pages, or rather 4, let me put this one here, 4 of those pages, 3 consist of ephemera, and then you get this plain page which you can use to do the inside pages of the journal, you know, so it's double-sided, so you can print on both sides to get that gorgeous purple effect. And then here we have the tags. You can write something in there, and I've also printed these tags on a double-sided printing, so I've done the lilac on the back as well. Then you have these, and then you have these little postcards. So let's put that aside, and then I'm going to go as quick as I can through the pages with you. So this one I'm actually going to use for the cover. Yeah, I haven't printed on the back. I just think she's so beautiful, and I have already, and this is just another spare. You know, we always print extra pages. So far I've started to put it together. I'm using mainly these pages for the actual journal. Still don't quite know what I'm going to do, but let me do it. I just cut this out from one of the pages, so I'm going to make a tag with that. And this is one of my favorite pages. Well, there's quite a few actually. So let me show you. Oh boy, this keeps sliding. Stay there. So we have that. And of course, double-sided printing. Don't worry about the different sizes. I messed up my printing a bit. And do remember with this to print on, excuse me, landscape. You see, I messed it up. Oh boy. As soon as I come on camera, I start. But I do like the different sizes. So, because, I don't want to throw it away. It didn't come out full landscape. I printed it on portrait instead of landscape, but I didn't want to ditch the pages because it's such a waste. So I'm keeping them, and they will be used in the journal as well. So we have this one again, the double-sided, and we have this beautiful one. Let's put these there, then I know which ones I've shown you already. And we have this one. I really hope you like these. And you can see I've already started putting stuff inside. I've just made a corner pocket there, and I'm using this punch, the Dress My Crafts punch. So this very cute one, and again, all of it is double-sided printing, okay? So, and there's loads and loads of pages, and loads of these as well, so you can, it's easy to use in other journals that you want to use. These are just pockets I've already sort of done. Well, I might as well show you. And there's this page, so this will go there. And then we have another one that I messed up. So there is pink in here as well, just to give a little bit of, there's another, it's the same page. I must take that out. Okay, put it there. And then this one. So I think it's nice to have a bit of a difference. I'm sure we all do them. And here's another one. And then again, I've taken one of the pages to make an envelope. You know how easy it is to make an envelope. So that will go here. And then I'll probably put this here and decorate that. Right. Let's do these. Don't you just love her? So that's another one, and of course double-sided. This one, this one, this one, and I've actually cut this out. I fussy cut her out, and I fussy cut this whole page, that and that. And then we have this plain, well, it's not plain, but yeah. We have this one, and then that should be the other way, this one. Here we go. Okay, I love this page as well. I've got a lot of favorites on here. Here we go. Oh, this is not part of the kit. And we have this page as well, which again you can see I've used the pages to make a long envelope. And I'm going to attach it here, and we have this one. So that will be attached there, so she opens out. And then I want to show you another page, which is part of the kit. It's not quite the same tones as the others, but you know what? I added it as an extra, and I'm going to use it in the journal. It's also, there we go. So you can choose to use it in here or not. Okay, because it's not, you can see, because it's got quite a bit of yellow, and there's like no yellow in the other one. But I had done it, and I thought, you know what, you can always use it in another journal if you want. So that's just some of the ephemera. So I really hope you like this. And as did I already say that? The link will be below in my coffee shop, so you can go there, I hope, and just purchase this gorgeous. I'm actually dying to get it done. It's going to be really lovely. I think I might add silver to it. We'll see. You know, silver and purple go very well. And you know what I'm thinking of doing is also turning this into a tall, skinny journal. So we'll see what the response is to this. And as I said, this will be my cover. And you have these pages of ephemera, plus this one. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon. I'll probably do some of this on video as well. So, ciao now. Bye-bye.